while niggas heading out the club. Me, I just shut it down, did my shit, got some pub. Easy type press. Hoes, they was loving me. They said I was, oh gosh, I was so impressed. I just did some shit. I call it fuckery. They like it though. It really don't matter. That's the type shit that make dough. Me, I'ma do mines and shit all the time. Niggas squat on beats. I squat without one. You see how I'm doing on the streets. Shit going through, mass flow, mass popping. See how it is, young niggas steady clocking. Me, I'm steady watching. Looking like what's good. I'm doing what I'm doing. And any little nigga hood, you know what it is. I'm all the way around here. Y'all kids caught the biz. Y'all know what it's out. Real shit, nigga. You see me spitting while the club letting out. Motherfuckers still coming out. I'm still on this route. I'm still running. I'm still gunning. I'm still blunted. Still getting mines, counting hundreds in a dirty bucket. Motherfucker, see how I do it? Make whole suckers? Yeah, they love us. Damn right, they say they be choosing. Know how we be doing it. Niggas say I'm losing it. Fuck it, I don't give a fuck. Rap like a half Cuban. Till niggas say this motherfucker stupid. Special, I'm retarded. Told you I get it started. Me, I'm bound to harvest. I give a fuck who the hardest. Me, I murder any motherfucker regardless. That's how I get. That's how I spit. Told you I'm still talking shit. And these motherfuckers saying it's about them next week. That's what I need. Let these niggas bring that heat. This is Miami, so I want niggas to bring that heat. This is Miami, so I want niggas to bring that heat. I stress it. Where them Waves at? Where them young cats at? I'm LeBron, Ohio shit. Rapping where they at. I'm right here, Larry Dog. He said, fuck it, we can scrap. Shit, I'm off that. I'm a young pit. What these niggas want, I'm off the leash talking dumb shit. I ain't even stopped yet. I'm gonna keep drowning it. I did some pop shit. Niggas, they was loving it. Me, I do some hood shit. Niggas pop some guns to it. What the fuck you on, boy? That's what the fuck I do. I'm steady hungry on this camera. I'm eating food, murking shit, murking shit, murking shit, burger type shit. I love the feast. Give me the beef. I told niggas I don't give a fuck. I'm magnifique. So nice in this motherfucking style, they can't stop. My nigga like, Donnie, calm down. What the fuck you on? Why you fucking wildin' out? What the fuck you off? These niggas talking shit. I'm just proving I ain't soft. I'm stupid strong. Hate niggas with bolo mode. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I shit on microphones cause it's toilet bowls. Fuck this shit, nigga.
And fuck that shit, though. I'm saying, though.
Microphones cause it's toilet bowls,
nigga. Mr. Montana, WBI Records, fuck that shit. Free promo, put me on YouTube, ho. You already know what it is, nigga. WBI Records, nigga. Let's do that shit. Free promo all day, nigga. What's up?
What he said. Get that shit, man.